everybody, welcome to Country Girl. Today I've just got a really small Target haul for you. I went on my lunch hour just to kind of browse around because I knew they were putting out a lot of Halloween and fall stuff. And I think they already had one little wave of Halloween that I had come in on the end of. And the lady was actually in the process of putting out more stuff while I was there, but I could not stay because I was on my lunch hour. So I don't know all the other good items that they were putting out. I might have to go back or not, just because I really don't need to be spending any money on this stuff. But there were a few items I could not resist, and I do want to share those with you. And this was something that I picked up. This is a really big board, like piece of wood, I guess. And I mean, you just look at the size of this thing. This was $5 because I think the most that they have in that section goes up to like $7. But the majority of the stuff you'll find is going to be $3 and $5. This was $5, and it does have one of these little hooks on the back. And I just thought this would be really pretty to display a fall wreath or something like that on. Not sure where I'm going to hang it, but I am definitely going to find a spot for this. But it just takes all the work out for you. I mean, and you could even separate these boards. Take this off, and you have 4 regular boards that you could actually do something with, or you could divide it into 2 and have 2 wider boards. So you could do a lot of DIY projects just with this particular piece of wood here. They also had a picture, like a window pane, but the glass, it wasn't glass, it's just like kind of like little plastic pieces. And then they also had, I want to say, one that looked like black shutters, but this is the one that I picked up. And then also, one of the things that I got was this really cute little pillow. Sometimes I get pillows there, sometimes I don't. It just really depends. But I figure for $5, you just could not beat this. This is a cute little size pillow, perfect for, you know, your couch, your love seat or something. It's got the really pretty green color on the back, kind of like a earthy, or it's not really olive, sage maybe green. But I just really thought that was pretty, and I like the saying on that. And they were putting out some Halloween pillows. I almost got one, but then I thought no, because I just can't overdo it here. They also had these little bags of pumpkins out. They had this color, which is kind of like a burnt orange. They also had a really pretty sage green, and then they had the white. But I love these pumpkins because, you know, you could just do so many different things with these. And they do look like the ones that you get 3 in a pack for at the Dollar Tree. Of course, the orange they got out this year is really bright, so it doesn't look like this. And you get all of these for $3. So I didn't think that was bad. You can also paint these if this is not the color that you want, but you can just, you know, use these in DIY projects. And then, you know, as far as decorating, they are just so nice to be able to just place in various little places in your house to just kind of add a little bit of small detail to whatever it is you're putting out. So also, I picked up these little easels. These were $5, and it looks like that you get, I'm wanting to say 4 easels. Let me see. Okay, well, this label is backwards for whatever reason, and my brain just is not functioning right now. But I'm wanting to say maybe you only get 2 easels. I think it is just 2 easels. But anyway, these were $5, and I just, when I saw this, I thought, you know, I could probably do a really cute project with this. Maybe even make something and gift it to somebody. Not really sure what yet, but I will definitely come up with something. I thought that was really cute. These are very sturdy. And they also had another one that was shaped a little bit different. It wasn't an easel, it just kind of stood up on a stand. So I got that. And then, let's see. I also picked up this little sign for $1. This just says Raven's Claw Inn, open daily. I just thought that was really cute, and I thought I might could, you know, utilize that in my 3-tier tray that I've got, because for whatever reason I always have a hard time decorating that. I've mentioned that before, but I do think that was cute, and it wasn't but $1, so I picked that up. And this is really nice. You know, I don't know if I guess it's like particle board, but it feels like wood. And then the last thing that I picked up were these little wood acorns, and I did get 4 of them. They were $1 a piece. And I do have something in mind that I want to do with these. But you can do so many different things with them. You know, I mean, you can like spell the word fall and hang this up, you know, if you want to. You could paint these, you can add these to wreaths, you can just do so many, and I thought for $1 a piece, that's really a good deal. They also had some leaves, and I think they had a black cat as well. But that is all that I picked up, so I really refrained today. And like I said, I may go back if I do. Of course, if I buy anything, I will show you that to you. But I just want to show you what I was able to pick up. Most of the stuff that I got because I have DIYs in mind. But that is it, and I hope y'all enjoyed watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.